Good morning everyone. I am Vedarupa from class 9 medical.
And I'm Lalitya from class 9th medical.
My dear friends,
The story of India is not written in any history books. It is written in the blood, sweat and the success of three generations. Let us take a look about it.
1947, freedom and partition. India had officially gained freedom on 15th August 1947. Partition created India and Pakistan. Millions of people suffered from hardships.
1947 to 1950, nation building and constitution. We took over 500 different pieces and wove them into one single unbreakable nation. We wrote a historic constitution to protect every citizen and stood as tall as a free republic on January 26, 1950.
1950, democracy officially takes root in our country. In the year 1951 to 1952, the first ever elections were conducted. Universal adult franchise was implemented, and because of this, democracy was officially rooted in our country.
1950s to 1960s, planning for development, starting from nothing, but we have launched 5-year plans to feed our people, built massive dams to turn our fields greener, and created giant industries to make our economy self-reliant and strong.
1960s to 1970s, social empowerment and justice. On this time, abolishment of untouchability and promotion of equality. Green revolution had increased the production of food grains in our country. Thus, trade flourished in our country.
1970s to 1980s, science, technology and space. We dared to reach for the stars by building ISRO, shocked the world in 1975 by launching our first satellite Aryabhatta and proved the world that Indian brains and Indian science could conquer the skies.
1980s to 1990s, social reform and liberation. Reforms officially began in the year 1991. Liberalization, globalization and privatization had opened up a gate of new possibilities for India.
1990s to 2000s, infrastructure and connectivity. We laid down thousands of miles of mega highways to connect our states together. By legendary IT and mobile phone revolution put up the entire world into the hands of every single villager.
2000 to 2010, inclusive growth and empowerment. Focus on education, healthcare and poverty reduction. Schemes for women empowerment and social empowerment. Because of this, India rose as a key global player.
2010s to 2020s, the rise of New India. We transformed into a global powerhouse through Digital India and Startup India, changed millions of lives with grassroots movements like Swachh Bharat, and showed the world that Indians does not just follow the future, we lead it.
2020 to 2026, Atmanirbhar and Viksit Bharat at the rate of 2047. India's strong response to COVID-19 vaccination drive. Atmanirbhar Bharat, self-reliant India's vision. Growth in digital economy, better startups for the better future.
G20 Presidency 2023, building a developed, inclusive and sustainable India. We hope you all witnessed
India
India
at the rate
journey
from freedom to future.
Thank you.